Happy Philippine Jockey Club PJC Wednesday Racing, May 20, 2026. Meron hinandang 7 races at start time po is 5:30 p.m. Regular Wednesday racing na naman tayo mga karera outsiders na meron tig-iisang set ng winner take all, pick 6, pick 5 at pick 4. Good luck mga karera outsiders, let's G! Race number 1, start ng winner take all covers races 1 to 7. 3-year-old and above maiden race non-placers, distance is 1,200 meters. Meron ditong 6 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 5, Succeed. Rerendahan ni apprentice jockey, RC Simasio. Baka dito na daw, Maka Succeed. Second choice is entry number 4, Rocksteady. Jockey is CB Diala. Baka daw dito na mag-rock and roll. Third choice is entry number 6, Oliver Bell. Jockey is Boy, Tapik-Tapik CV Garganta. Kursunada lang daw ni Carrera Outsider. So dito sa race number 1, ito ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider. First choice is entry number 5, Succeed. Second choice niya is entry number 4, Rocksteady. And third choice niya is entry number 6, Oliver Bell. Race number 2, start ng pick 6 covers, races 2 to 7. 3-year-old and above maiden race placers. Distance is 1,200 meters. Meron ditong 14 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 14, Animo Magnolia. Jockey is RC Simasio. Mainam daw ang nakaraang takbo, baka dito na makaisa daw. Second choice is entry number 2, Kangka Lu King. Jockey is JT Pabilik, pangsama daw. Third choice is entry number 9, Mighty Bell. Jockey is CV Garganta. Baka daw dito na magpakita ng totoong inam. So dito sa race number 2, ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider. First choice is entry number 14, Animo Magnolia. Second choice is entry number 2, Kangka Lu King. And third choice is entry number 9, Mighty Bell. Race number 3, start ng pick 5 covers races 3 to 7. Philracom rating-based handicap system race class, 5:17 to 41 split. Distance is 1,200 meters. Merong 6 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 1, Apollo. Jockey is RC Simasio. Baka daw mag-back-to-back-to-back ang hinete. Second choice is entry number 6, Little Annie. Jockey is RJC Tabor. Baka daw dito na manalo. Third choice is entry number 3, Everlong. Jockey is CA Reyes. Malaki din ang tsansa. So dito sa race number 3, first choice niya is entry number 1, Apollo. Second choice is entry number 6, Little Annie. And third choice is entry number 3, Everlong. Race number 4, start ng pick 4 covers, races 4 to 7. Philracom rating-based handicap system race class, 5:17 to 41 split. Distance is 1,200 meters. Meron ditong 8 entries. Pagandahan na naman daw ng gising dito, sabi ni Carrera Outsider. First choice niya is entry number 6, Kipitaki. Rerendahan ni jockey JB Hernandez. Lamang daw sa laban. Second choice is entry number 2, Galactus. Jockey is PM Caballejo. Baka dito na daw lumaban. Third choice is entry number 5, Chef Cat. Jockey is Jim El Shego. Pangsama daw sa mga kursunada. So dito sa race number 4, ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider. First choice niya is entry number 6, Kipitaki. Second choice is entry number 2, Galactus. And third choice niya is entry number 5, Chef Cat. Race number 5, last extra double at Daily Double Plus 1 covers races 5 to 7. Philracom rating, based handicap system race class, 3:57 to 70 split. Distance is 1,200 meters. Meron ditong 10 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 5, Chancelicious. Rerendahan ni jockey JT Zarate. Nakakalamang daw, pwedeng panolo. Second choice is entry number 1, Glorify. Jockey is NC Lunar. May panalo daw. Third choice is entry number 9, Buntay Shore. Jockey is Boy, tapiik-tapik ulit CV Garganta. Kursunadang dehado lang daw ni Carrera Outsider. So dito sa race number 5, ang mga pili naman ni Carrera Outsider dito. First choice niya is entry number 5, Chancelicious. Second choice naman is entry number 1, Glorify. And third choice is entry number 9, Buntay Shore. Race number 6, penultimate race. Philracom rating-based handicap system race class, 4:42 to 56 split. Distance is 1,200 meters, meron ditong 6 entries. First choice niya dito is entry number 1 plus 5 Cosa. Jockey is A.R. Villegas, malaki daw ang panalo. Second choice is entry number 6, Love Ko To. Jockey is C.S. Pare Jr. Wag lang daw mag-Jollibee, sabi ni Carrera Outsider. Third choice is entry number 5, Heat Bulaga. Jockey is C.A. Reyes, baka daw mambulaga. So dito sa race number 6, ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider dito, first choice is entry number 1 plus 5 Cosa. Second choice is entry number 6, Love Ko To. And third choice is entry number 5, Heat Bulaga. Race number 7, last and final race. Philracom rating-based handicap system race class, 4:42 to 56 split. Distance is 1,200 meters. Meron ditong 9 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 6, Slam Dunk. Jockey is R.C. Simasio. Baka daw mag-opening at closing ang hinete. Second choice is entry number 7, Malibu Princess. Rerendahan ni Jockey Joe El Ciego. Pangsama daw sa mga kursunada. Third choice is entry number 4, Malibu Bell. Jockey is CV Garganta. Eto din daw baka makapag-opening at closing ang hinete. So dito sa race number 7, ang mga kursunada at napupusuan ni Carrera Outsider. First choice niya dito is entry number 6, Slam Dunk. Second choice is entry number 7, Malibu Princess. And third choice is entry number 4, Malibu Bell.